buddies are headed to Death Valley. We come out here once a year, usually. This time we're going to come out for a couple of days. I'll try to capture it. When you go out to Death Valley, you have to go through Trona, California. Kind of a strange place. Grass does not grow out here. As a matter of fact, when my son was a sophomore, we played a football game out here, and the field is made of sand because no grass grows. It was interesting. They beat the crap out of us. Oh, and when you come to Trona, you also must buy some beef jerky. Very important.
6 packs of bottles. And then
Cans are way better.
I bought, and then I went and got cans.
You got no beef jerky.
I don't often drink beer, but when I do.
You are the most interesting man in the world.
Well, we have made it to Echo Canyon, and we have to have dinner. Echo Canyon is a gorgeous place, and there's one spot, it's called the Hole in the Wall, and I was getting a beautiful shot, as you can see, from the drone. However, I felt like I needed to do it again. Bad mistake. My drone was flying backwards. I really wasn't paying attention, and my buddies Alan and Oscar kept warning me I was getting a little too close, and I didn't listen to them. So, this happened. Smack dab into the mountain.
The walk of shame. Right, Welty?
Yep. Tried to warn him.
Right about here.
So, trying to figure out a way to get a drone here by the morning in Death Valley, which is a little bit difficult. However, I have relatives in Vegas, which is only 2 hours away. So, trying to get a drone here by tomorrow morning. Well, it's morning. After an eventful evening, we sat at the bar and just had a few drinks and basically waited. And my amazing niece, Whitney, shows up from Vegas with something spectacular. Yes, a new drone. Crash it at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You get a new one by 10:30 at night. Only in America. We're gonna go down Badwater Road. So still waiting for the boys to come out of the parking lot. This is my Jeep. It's a Rubicon, but it's an AEV version, an American Expedition vehicle. And here come the boys. Oscar in his way oversized vehicle, and Wellesley in the FJ. What is he doing now? Oh, he's taking a picture. You shoot me, I shoot you. Shoot me, shoot you. Let's go. This is my iPad that I have in here, which has a little thing we call Motion X. Shows you where you've been, sea level. It has GPS, so that if we lose cell service, we still can kind of figure out where we are, which happens a lot out here. All right, here we go. Badwater Road.
Thanks for the show, Wellesley.
Wellesley had to pee. All right, we just hit Harry Wade Road. Harry's Road's very bumpy. Well, my table just fell off the roof. You know what? I had a hard time clamping that thing in yesterday. That's pretty tough. It's okay. Owl Springs Road. Four-wheel drive all the way because it's sand. Oh crap, I just missed the road. This is our kind of road right here, boys. This is the kind of road we like. One that goes nowhere.
We love roads that go nowhere.
Rosie, what are you doing?
I'm trying to take a picture.
Are you checking your text?
No, I'm trying to take a freaking picture.
What'd you say? Is he sending a fax?
Sending a fax.
That's awesome. Yeah, exactly.
You sending a fax?
Beep, 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 beep.
How far below sea level are? Oh, that was funny.
Ow!
What you get for having a truck bigger than you?
This is true. What's the
What are we? What are we below sea level? What are we?
I'll tell you exactly right now. We're not below sea level now.
Oh, we're not.
142 feet.
Look at his iPad. Oh my God! Everything here is bigger with Big O.
Everything.
He wishes.
According to this, my friend, we have reached Owl Hole Springs.
There's water down there. Let's go up there.
Amen, man.
I suppose those are the springs. There's a shaft right down in there. Never a good idea to go walking down in them. Out here in the middle of nowhere, there are a bunch of wild burros. I don't know why. Do burros attack? I don't know. I don't know what the heck they eat out here. I mean, look at this. Yeah, he's not gonna let me get close. I think that means leave. All right, I won't torture the poor devil anymore. Thank you. We're gonna have lunch over here. You stay over there. We're good. Bye. Well, I think the Boy Scouts would be very happy with us, Sonny, but we made this little tent thing out of Wellesley's sleeping bag. And now we're having gin, wine, a little beer. We're doing this. And the burro still staring at us.
How wonderful.
He looks on.
One of the best trips we've had so far.
So last night I was so pissed off I didn't even show. That cannot fly like that because I hit a mountain. I was warned by my friends.
I try to tell you. Hey Carter, man, watch out, that man mountain. Shut up, man, it damn sensors everywhere and you don't know, don't tell me, I will not be dictated to. Carter, you're getting close to my, shut up. Okay. Oh, man. That's my reenactment.
Certified. Accurate.
Bona fide.
Maybe.
Bona fide.
Bona fide. Reenactment.
Maybe. I didn't cuss.
Much.
To me, traveling is just seeing the world that God created. That's what it's all about. That's why I like doing this stuff. That's why I like posting videos about it. Whether you guys like it or not, I hope you do like it. I really do. I just love doing it because this is a passion, right? A passion for life. A passion for seeing what God made. But the first time I came out here, it was a really spiritual moment for me. And again, I know that sounds dumb. But what happens is you see the amazingness of our Creator, and you start feeling really small, especially when you start thinking about the stuff that's going on in your life, the stuff that didn't go right, the stuff that you planned to happen that didn't happen, and the stuff that went completely wrong. And what you realize is there's somebody bigger than you. There's something bigger than you. And my friend Big O back there, Oscar, is having a moment right now. He just kind of stopped his truck. He's having a moment, and I get it. I totally get it. I know it sounds kind of weird. You haven't ever been out here or any place really. And to me, it's all brought on by how this was all created. That's why we do this. It actually isn't just beer guzzling, off-roading fun. Kind of restores us. The Furnace Creek Inn is an amazing little place. Actually, it's not little, it's kind of big. It kind of reminds me of The Shining. It's a very old hotel, but not in a creepy way. And it's actually amazing here. It's like an oasis, really nice. Great food, the restaurant is fabulous. Pool is mineral water, it's always warm, it's always nice. It's very comfortable, you can get a massage here. It's quite delightful, highly recommend it. Not July or August, of course. September is sketchy too. But other than that, it's a great place to be.
Shall we go look?
Yeah.
Good old Stovepipe Wells. There it is. Stovepipe Wells. If you're wondering why we are fascinated with Stovepipe Wells, it's a town right over here. Because our friend Alan, his last name is Wells. So we call him Stovepipe Wellsy. Well, Stovepipe,
I'm proud. It's a proud moment.
he said he's proud. You know what I'm proud of?
What's that now?
You're wearing a mother trucker hat.
Yes, I am.
I'm glad some of my influence is rubbing off on you.
Is ya?
Is you or is you ain't my constituents? When we left Death Valley, it was about, I don't know, 94, 95 degrees, something like that. We're climbing down to 82 degrees. And it's going to get a little chillier as we keep climbing. 4,500 feet and climbing. A lot of greenery up here, a lot of moisture, so instead of it being brown, it's very beautiful green. 6,500 feet. But there's some interesting structures here. Stovepipe Wellsy went down there and read the sign, so he'll have to tell us what these are. Echo, echo. Oh, cool. Oh, look at. So tell us what they are, Wellsy.
I wish I could. The sign was about the trail.
Oh.
We're about these things. That's awesome.
Wellsy, tell us what your first impression of what these were.
Monument to boobs. Boobtopia.
They're kilns.
Okay.
Charcoal kilns, built in 1877. They produce charcoal for the Modoc Mine smelter.